Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a very best face pack for skin whitening and lightening. This is made of fresh papaya. I'm using papaya because it contains vitamin A, B and C. It also fights aging and sun damage. It has brightening and lightening properties for all skin types. The main ingredients to make this face pack is the fresh papaya, which is quite ripe. Along with it, turmeric and milk powder. I'm using a little bit of honey with this. Milk powder contains lactic acid, which has strong bleaching properties. This face pack helps to peel off the dull and dead skin cells to expose a layer of new and healthy skin. The vitamin C, which contains in papaya, also helps to brighten and lighten your skin along with the milk powder. So to make this face pack, I'm using 2 tablespoons of papaya pulp, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of milk powder and a little bit of honey. If you don't have milk powder, you can also substitute with 1 teaspoon of raw milk. So after adding all these ingredients, just mix enough so that it forms into a smooth paste. So people who have oily skin also can include a pinch of lemon juice, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and you can apply this on your face evenly. Before applying, just scrub your face so that you can remove all the dead skin cells, and apply this face evenly on your face pack evenly on your skin and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can wash off your face with plain water to reveal a glowing skin. You can use this face pack daily or even alternate days and see how it makes the difference for your skin. If you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.